Hello, my name is Daniel Felber from the company Agathon. It's my second time participating at the IMTEX, and I was amazed about the progress that has been done during the last 2 years. I'm the sales director of Agathon, a machine manufacturer in Switzerland for grinding and laser processing machines, mainly focusing on hard and superhard materials. Today I found a very well organized seminar where a lot of content has been delivered from the suppliers to the audience. It was very interesting to see also the progresses and that the focus of the Indian market is actually on efficiency. So there I feel a total conversion. I had a speech too, and in the speech I was focusing on 2 of our many options that we have within our machines. One was the adaptive infeed that helps you controlling the infeed of a machine by monitoring the force. And on the other hand side, I introduced the Neo, a laser roughing machine, mainly focusing on roughing of PCD or super hard materials. Thank you very much.